Hey guys, it's Ching here. I'm in the Xuhui district in Shanghai and I'm off to try some modern European food with a Chinese twist.
Today, it's all about fusion. I'm taking you to eat a succulent chicken dish that's layered with mouth-watering spice, crispy skin, moist meat, and thick unctuous sauce. Let's eat.
So it's somewhere along here. Huh, cool. Actually, I think it's over here. Yep, here it is. Hello, 你好，一位，谢谢，可以。So this is it. It's really cool. Really great vibe in here. I know what I'm after. Mountain chili chicken.
Mountain chili chicken is the creation of Chef Blake Thornley. He first marinates chicken legs in chili paste, oil, star anise, cardamom, garlic, ginger, and light soy. After 24 hours, it's then covered in foil and braised in the oven. The sauce is then cooked down and the braised chicken is dropped into a fryer. It's then served with a deep-fried potato, crunchy peanuts, and fragrant coriander.
Okay, it's time to taste this. Look at it. It looks amazing. It smells incredible. A little piece of potato. Perfectly roasted. Going with knife and fork. Look at that. Moist on the inside, juicy. That chicken is beautifully succulent, so tender, but you get the crisp skin, hits of spice, of salt, of umami, and it just tastes like almost like a chicken rendang, full of flavour and almost curry-like with the sauce. Got to go back for another bit. My mouth has this delicious numbing spice sensation. I get the hits of chili, the dry chili, the peanuts. It really tastes like a Chinese dish, and yet it's kind of not. I mean, the presentation of it is so European, it's so modern. God, that's good.
Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.